Transform your makeup routine with the USB-powered makeup brush cleaner, the ultimate solution for spotless brushes and flawless skin. Benefits of makeup brush cleaner: 1. Effortless cleaning. 2. Deep cleansing. 3. Preserves brush quality. 4. Promotes healthy skin. Steps to use: 1. Prepare your brushes. Gather all your dirty makeup brushes. 2. Fill the cleaning bowl. Add water and a few drops of gentle shampoo or brush cleaner to the bowl. 3. Attach the brush. Select the appropriate color for your brush size and attach. 4. Start cleaning. 5. Dry the brush. Lift the brush out of the water while it's still spinning to dry it. 6. Repeat. Continue the process for all your brushes. Ready to revolutionize your makeup routine? Get your USB-powered makeup brush cleaner today and enjoy spotless brushes and flawless skin. If you like the video, then please hit the like and subscribe to the channel.